Realtor with the Patton Team at Better Homes and Gardens, Gary Green, and I'm counting down today the top 5 tips of must-dos before selling your home. After I share the top 5 tips, I have some before and after photos, which are so fun to see what a difference can be made. Our family business has been around 30 years, and a lot of what we've learned that sells homes is now called staging, which is tip number 5. In addition to being a realtor, I'm also a certified home marketing specialist or a trained stager. And this is an important step in preparing any home for sale. It's not decorating, it's instead advice on making your home appeal to the broadest amount of buyers during showings and in pictures, giving you feedback without wasting your first few buyers that come to look. Since we show houses and work with buyers too, we are keen on what they're critical about and can pass that along to our sellers before they go on the market. Appealing to the broadest amount of buyers reduces your time on the market and can help avoid price reductions due to lack of offers. Number 4 tip, neutralize. Anything that is specific in taste will narrow the amount of buyers it will appeal to, and if possible, it's best to neutralize. This could apply to paint, carpet, decor, use of a space or room. We will advise you what changes are worth the investment and make sure your home is as appealing as your competition. Number 3 tip, eliminate odors. Scent is defined as a distinctive odor. It's true that we become nose blind as to what odors are in our home. If I was selling my home, I would have to have someone else come in and see if they detect any scents. The number 1 turnoff for buyers are odors. The best scent in your home is no scent at all. This can be as simple as a good cleaning, which leads us to tip number 2. Number 2, clean. That's it. But it may include more than you're thinking. When selling a home, your buyers will be critical during showings, but also during inspections. Don't forget AC registers and returns and AC filters. These are often neglected, which can look dirty, but also affect your overall AC's performance. Buyers are paying thousands of dollars to buy your appliances. Help them to look as new as possible by cleaning your ovens and stove until they shine. Other commonly forgotten items are light bulbs, grout, carpets, cleaning fan blades, flower beds, patios, which could mean pressure washing. We have a list of contractors that our other customers have recommended with any repairs needed around the home to pass along to our clients. Ready for the number 1 tip for preparing your home for the market? It costs nothing. It's simply decluttering. You can make your home feel bigger, younger, and cleaner by simply removing items from your counters, bookshelves, closets, and more. Buyers know you're moving, so it's okay to have boxes with these items in a garage, attic, or even one of the spare bedrooms. Think of it as packing in advance. With a successful sale, you'll be doing this anyway. Making your home show well will lead to less showings overall and attracting an offer sooner, which is way less work than being on the market for months. Here are some before and after photos that show what staging has done to change the overall look of a space. This home successfully attracted multiple offers in less than a week's time. We hope you'll call us when it's time to sell your home so we can offer specific and free advice on how best to position your home for the marketplace. My next video will give you some hacks to impressing buyers and making your home better than your competition. See you soon.